Hello and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen cooking my crab bake, which consists of crab legs, shrimp, potatoes, and corn. It's a very easy recipe to make. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 3 packages. I put all my ingredients in foil packages and just bake it. It's so easy. So I'm gonna start off cutting up some of my potatoes. I'm gonna cut them small because I'm only gonna cook this for 45 minutes, and the smaller the potatoes are, the quicker they'll cook. So, I only have a few potatoes for each. I'm just gonna put my potatoes on the foil. Then I have some miniature corn cobettes, and actually I'm going to make them even smaller. Like I said, the smaller it is, the faster it cooks. So I'm just going to cut these in half. Put those in the foil. I've got some shrimp. I'm gonna put my shrimp in there, a little bit more in there. And then I'm gonna do my crab legs. I'm going to break up my crab legs so that it's easier for them to fit in the packages. So I'm gonna actually just pull them apart. And they're easy because you have the little sections. You just twist the sections. Okay. So I'm going to put them all in the middle of the package, and then I'm going to put some butter on them. And I'm going to put the butter on before I put my seasoning on, because the butter will help the seasoning stick to it. You know what? I may do 3 tablespoons because I got a lot in here. Yeah, I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. There we go. Okay. So first thing, I'm going to do a little salt. A little pepper, a little garlic powder, and then some Old Bay seasoning. Put Old Bay on a lot of my seafood. It's so good, gives a lot of flavor. I want to put a lot of Old Bay because I like a lot of flavor. A lot of Old Bay. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Now I'm just going to close up my packages, put them in the oven, 375 degrees for 45 minutes. And I'm just going to put them in the oven. See you back in 45 minutes. Okay, my 45 minutes are up, so I'm going to take my crab bakes out of the oven. I'm going to put this on a plate. Let's do this one. Oh, look at that steam, nice and hot. Yes. Take all of this crab meat out of here. Look at those shrimp. We're gonna pour our potatoes with the butter all in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter to my crab legs. And my shrimp. Take a little bit of parsley, put on there. There you have it. My crab leg bake with shrimp, potatoes, and corn. I'm gonna taste me a shrimp. Yes, the Old Bay seasoning really gives it a lot of flavor. It's good. So, I hope you had fun with me today in Lavonne's kitchen. We'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.